It's long, isn't it?
Yeah. Longer than usual.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. This is part of my series. I found some old footage of when I used to work on the cruise ships. Today we're going to sunny Mexico, circa 1994. Or maybe circa 1995. However you want, I really don't know. We're heading out to Mexico back in time. But first up, we're going to make a drink. This is called a Tidal Wave of Passion. Very simple drink. Just building it over ice in my tiki mug. So it calls for 2 ounces of passion fruit liqueur. Watch your eyes, Mookie. The other day, Mookie goes to me, she goes, Chappy, you're passionate. I go, well, thank you, Mookie. She goes, no, you idiot, you're passionate. You're passionate in the liquor store. All right, so we got 2 ounces of passion fruit liqueur. We got 2 ounces of grapefruit. The bartender's guide doesn't specify pink or regular grapefruit juice. I just have the pink today. And then 2 ounces of OJ. And not the kind that drives the white Bronco. And that, my friends, is a tidal wave of passion. So coming up next, we're getting in our time machine, Mookie. Check it out.
That's right. As you can see, the unspoiled beach goes on forever. It's awesome. It's excellent. I'd like to live here. I think I'll buy the island. I got 20 bucks.
I am now entering the lager zone.
We're now in Carson, Charlie, as you can see, and we're going to have fabulous time to get pissed out our skull. But don't tell Martin that. I have to work later. Over there, we took a nice ferry, and now we're here at Carlos and Charlie's. Tony Pizza. Maybe you should let me film you. Another Tony Pizza.
Rexy, baby! Where are you? Tell me all about it, Rex. Are you pissed? Where's everybody else?
God knows. Like I'm doing. I'm very drunk. Stop that! I'm leaving now. I don't have a fucking clue where I am. Oh my God, I'll see Charlie's. See you another time, perhaps.
What's that, Mookie? Mookie says we should quote the band Weezer. Leave a 5-star review, we'll leave you one too. You can't knock the hustle. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. I think that went well, Mookie. What do you think? I had a lot more hair back then, I'll tell you that much.